running late AF once again. Can you tell I actually just threw anything on? Like, help. Help. But I did have to wear the Uggs because my feet have been hurting so much recently because the boots that I always wear are a size too small. And so it just kind of hurts my feet all the time, but they're cut, so I keep them on. And they're also the only pair of shoes I own besides Uggs. But yeah, tonight I had to pop out the Uggs, I fear. I'm gonna go to Wisdom's apartment and Kiki real quick. Literally for an hour, because she said she has to go to sleep so she can make it to her class tomorrow, which is understandable. So let me head out.
So maybe on your little beams. Oh.
Is it on you or me? Or
I'm just like holding it weird.
oh, let me see. Wait,
Oh.
let me see you. Oh, I see. It's giving family picture from the most awkward family angle known to man. Deb, are you up there?
Oh, I thought you were still taking
This is like
No.
This is like, we need like the vintage camera and then
Yeah.
like show it to our kids.
Yes,
My mom
this is
literally
so
has
like
pictures.
mom
Where's
with like the
Queen?
little like I need like a glass of her out again.
Cute.
Play with me. Play with me.
I said, wait. I said I'll give you listen and I love story tomorrow.
Yeah, what?
Whoa.
I was like,
And then I said the most ridiculous stickers.
yeah, you did.
Morgan,
Pink.
Waffle pink.
look at the 2 burritos I ordered. Buy one, get one free. We're getting wine. Hello.
Hey guys, how are you?
Good, how are you? What are we getting?
A red.
A red.
Well, what kind of red we want?
There's a lot of red.
Definitely in bunch.
Okay, period.
Never find like
Quick Fit Suns is water. My water of choice is Pool Springs. Obviously, this is your water.
Is it gross if I like
This did not look like.
Is there a bug?
You started filming and I was about to say, is it gross if I like lick this?
No.
Like drip down.
What happened?
That's why I'm like, why didn't you like drink out of the bottle? What did you want? Oh.
They had brown and like light brown, which I like.
Oh, okay, cute.
But I didn't have any like gray sweatpants.
Wearing the shirt again, sue me, whatever. I'm giving Giselle Bunchen with the skinny jeans and then the boots per my usual bag and my cute little charm. I forget what character this is, but it's from Japan. But I just got back from class. I literally was there for 20 minutes. They let me out of class so early. And I forgot my phone charger, so I literally had to come back uptown and then I have to go back downtown again because I actually needed my charger. And so I'm gonna go back and meet my friends on campus and hang out with them for like an hour and then go back uptown again and figure out what's for dinner. No clue what I'm gonna eat, but I will figure it out.
Oh.
Paul?
Oh, wait, don't
Real
look
quick,
at
Paul.
it.
What's in it?
What's in it? Oh, I'll show you.
Y'all both got stuff.
Yeah. I just got this simple white tank top.
Okay, real. It looks quality though.
Right?
That looks cute too. Bella coated.
I got this leather cute pants. These are so cute.
Cute. Wait, those are
That's
cute.
what I'm saying. It's really good.
And they have like kind of like
No, they
the
are
dusty
cute.
look.
It's really bright.
Cut, graphic. Ooh, the pockets.
Right.
Fuck.
Yeah, like
Wait, that's tea. At FIT campus. Actually, wait, let me get on the side. Okay, give me.
Oh.
Oh, wait. No, hold
You were
it.
saying give me. Yes, get into the fit, get into the skinny. Get into the skinny. Little skinny mini.
Alrighty, I'm making breakfast because I have little to no groceries left and my account's at -$2. But I'll show you guys what I'm making. bacon. I finished the eggs, and then I put fries in the air fryer. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this after, but maybe I'll turn it into a sweet treat. We'll see. Okay, so there's fries, and I put mozzarella cheese on top, and then at the bottom is bacon and eggs. Cleaning out my closet because rent is due. Wait, let me wipe the camera. I literally have clothes that I don't even wear, and I need to clean my room, so I'm gonna go through the clothes that I need to sell or decide if I want to keep them. And I'm gonna make a TikTok showing what I'm selling, and hopefully that'll boost the chances of it selling quicker than just posting them on Depop. If that makes sense. So
I sat in the back of my biology class, and I'm so happy my teacher went off on them. The teacher was teaching about she goes, well, the risk of
it's giving the scene of SpongeBob when he's like pizza wings.
the banana shot.
Oh Lord,
Oh God.
she might be.
We gotta
Oh,
start
okay,
walking
it's
in a
stopped.
different direction.
It stopped.
It's when you're
For
in
now.
buildings. That's the worst stuff. I might kill myself. We're the only people here. The concert's about to start. There's no free drinks until 11.
Oh God.
All right, there you go, now we're getting.
So I'm like kind of frantically in a hurry, but here's what I'm wearing. I just got out the shower. I feel like I look insane, but whatever. I'll film when I'm there.
Okay. Wait, let Jean talk to the vlog.
What?
Jean,
Do you have anything to say?
This is for the. Is this imani?
What's your review?
Greetings, Mom.
Oh, is she here?
Sangria. Sangria.
Yay.
But the other thing is, make sure you guys have some.
Rice. Oh, ice.
I
Yeah.
was supposed to say, is there
Okay.
chicken? Wait, is she
Okay, wait.
picking up
John,
cookies?
can you make some?
Wait, my fish. Not at the bottom anymore.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
He's literally like going to
Yeah.
social. Oh, wait.
Wait, that's the
Wait.
Wait. There he
Is it that
That
one?
is this one, bitch. You can't recognize
Oh,
the sound.
sorry, that one.
It's not the big one.
I didn't even know you had ones that look like mine.
Look.
I can't with these. I can't have these. Okay, he told me to wait 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna walk around this mall full of designer stores and subconsciously manifest. This and a literal plant. You got the goodies? Give it to us. Balenci. Okay.
I hate this fuck ass job in this fuck ass place.
Thank
You
you.
can keep them in here for now if you want to. You want
Yeah.
to hold that? 'Cause I
Yeah.
want to.
I'll hold it. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. I have chopsticks.
Wait, come back. We need to do that again. No shade. This little reflective surface. Okay. No shade. That's why I was like, wait.
I didn't even see that.
Okay, let's walk. I wanted to like get my phone out fast enough, but
No,
that was
honestly.
good. Period. The look back always eats. Queen's looking at the menu.
Then you go through all that to do. Watch this.
What are you looking for?
Oh, you're gonna
Pre-rolls?
see, look at this. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. You see sort this? You see what I want to look?
Okay.
Logo high,
Load
baby.
high. We're on a
I was
budget.
never doing the $40.
Never making sure it's worth our buck. He did load high. The sorting.
There's no $10 pre-roll.
Oh. We might have to go my heart. It's 14 minimum, bitch. That's a key.
When was the last time you spoke to her?
Wait, what's new?
Wait, March 2nd.
Like application. Get to work, girl. What's tea?
That's what I'm saying.
Wait, what's tea? Oh, wait.
Did you finish
For why?
your essay and everything?
Oh.
For his letter of recommendation?
Oh. Wait. You need to hurry that up. Quickly. Hey guys, this man is naked. Oh, he's in front of. Wait, why are you trying to have competition with my nigga?
Wait, yeah, you do.
Do I?
Yes.
You've been partying a bunch, do I?
I haven't seen you get drunk quick.
Thank you.
I feel like
You know, like you're thinking ice cream shop. Like
Maybe he did.
this is good.
I bet it is. Ice cream.
Etain.
Looks so fancy.
No, like this is a real fancy smoke shop, bitch. This is what gentrification's about.
Sativa Dominate, if he can. Could you tell him, please? Thank you so much.
Period. Yeah, we need to be up, not down.
You got it.
Oh.
I trust my team.
Oh. Okay. One thing about Queen, girl.
They hit funny, baby.
Okay. Very collaborative.
Yes, always and forever.
The before. The before.
There's a strange exhilaration.
I feel like I'm gonna botch this.
Well, you will if you think you're gonna botch it.
It's a pure so strong. No, doing it to run fast. So I do believe that it can last.
Pink. You're killing me.
What's your name?
Jeremy.
Jerry?
Yes.
Hi, Jerry. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you? You didn't answer. How are you?
How am I? I'm trying to think about it. I'm okay.